Hello. So this is the basic setup for the Torx and center of gravity experiment. The equipment is pretty simple. You see that it's just a meter stick balanced on a stand there. The stand would be the fulcrum in this case, and you've got masses on each side of the meter stick. Okay, so they're just balancing out. It's kind of like a seesaw or a teeter-totter. You notice the one on the right is farther away than the one on the left, but there's also not as much mass there. So you might have noticed when you were a kid on a seesaw that maybe if you seesawed with somebody who was heavier than you were or lighter than you were, you could still balance out if you moved to different places. That's part of what you're going to investigate here. So let me zoom in a little closer to some of the other pieces of equipment. Okay, so let's go over here and this. So this tall thing here, that's the hanger. Okay, and you're going to see that it says 50 grams on it. Okay, so and you have these little disc that have, say, various things on them. So they weigh, let's see, let's get this one, for example. I don't know how well you can see that, but it says 20 grams on it. So you have these discs that weigh different amounts, and you can put them on the hanger there, and then you can take this clasp or clamp, maybe, I forget which the lab manual calls it. So hang it like this. Okay, so there's what you have. The total of that is what you have hanging on the meter stick at any one location. Okay, so the idea is each of those collections of mass, it has a weight, so there's a force and it creates a torque. So your moment arm would be, in this case, you could use the axis of rotation being the fulcrum. So for example, we could be looking at this mass here, and we got to count everything. You got to count the mass of the hanger itself and the disc that are sitting on it, and also the clamp itself there. Okay, and then your moment arm would be, say, from this point over to the fulcrum right there. Okay, have more to say about that in a minute, but that would be the moment arm. All right, same idea on the other side. Okay, so that's the idea there. There's a couple of other videos that you need to watch. So let me stop this one and you can go on to the next one.